What is going on, y'all? It's been a while since I've been on the camera here, holding the camera. Been leaning on Chip doing all the video work, but I'm in Washington State right now. We are processing our cow. We did a cow yesterday. We're gonna go work on the other cow today. Just to give y'all some context, there was 4 of us working yesterday. Took us 13 hours to process 1 cow. I did 3 deer with 3 people in an hour and a half. So this cow is no joke, much more involved than a deer. And I'm learning as I go. I've never done a cow before, but we're loving it. This is our little meat locker that Chad built up. He butchered them about a week, or he slaughtered them about a week ago. They've been hanging up in here, kind of getting some aging. It's nice, cool out here, so the meat's all in good shape. So I'll show you what we're working with these slabs. We did 4 slabs yesterday. Each is a quarter, and we're gonna try and do 4 slabs today. So we'll see how she works, but let's check out the meat first. Look at that. Beautiful. Big old chunk of meat. Alright, we got our quarter on the hook there. We're going to start processing that. Just to give y'all some context, this is what we did yesterday. That's all ground beef there. Steak cuts, bones, roasts, all that good stuff. Alright, y'all, so check it out. We got some steaks cut up here. We got some strip steaks. We got some sirloins. We got some chunks to be ground. Still working on a bunch. We got George over here supervising. Check this out. This is what a solid ribeye should look like. Coming off beautiful. Now that's the chunk of meat right there. Seriously thick cut ribeye. Gotta love it. Alright, y'all, it's 7 p.m. We just put our last quarter on the rack. So we're about to start digging into that. Last quarter. Who knows what time it's gonna be done? We've been going at it all day. So let's knock this out. See what time we'll end up with. Alright, y'all, it is, what time is it? 9 o'clock. We just finished up butchering this last round, this last quarter. Knocked it out. We got some ground beef action going here. Chad's knocking out the last little bit of ground beef with this antique Hobart grinder. And then we got some ribeyes and a little bit of filet mignon medallions that are gonna go on the grill here in a second with our cute little salt and pepper shakers. Uh-oh, George just got stepped on. Alright, y'all, just pulled the steaks off the grill. Let's see what we're looking like here. Ooh, honey hush. There's 3 ribeyes. We got some tenderloin medallions, and we got some burgers that were left over from the ground, or from the grind there. It has been a long couple days. It is currently 10:19, so it's been a long day today. We're about to dive into this and see what the homegrown steaks taste like. Alright, so we got Crystal's dad right here cutting into the ribeye steak. What's the verdict, man? Woo! Let me know what you think.
Okay. Let's get some here. I'm gonna
first
get
bite
right in there. Right in there. I'm gonna get that right there. Here we go. Ribeye. Beautiful.
You happy? Life complete?
Done. Yeah.
Done. Alright, we got Chad, Crystal's brother. What's the verdict?
Pretty dang good.
Pretty dang good.
Wow.
I'm about to dive in, y'all. Get ready.
That is exactly how it should be, right there.
What is going on, y'all? We are back in Arkansas, back at the Savage compounds, and all the meat is processed. I didn't really get much footage after that last clip of us eating the ribeyes, but they were delicious. Just flew back yesterday, got in yesterday afternoon, and back at the compound now to get some work done. Awesome experience processing the cows. Awesome experience having cows that I know what they were fed. I know what their lifestyle was like. Now I got a freezer full of meat that at some point I got to go up to Washington and get. This is the whole crew. We just got done with our morning meeting, and I'm gonna give Chip this SD card, and he's gonna edit that video, this vlog, and we'll see y'all next time. So take care, toodaloo, ta-ta for now.